Welcome to the weekly Roundup report at the Roswell location today with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Come on in, let's see what the guys got going on. What you working on this morning, sir?
I'm working on, I just finished up a harmonic balancer, front crank seal, transmission output seal, and spark plugs on this thing. Show you what I'm talking about. So, this is me up here. We recommended the replacement of the harmonic balancer while we were doing the seal, because when I pulled it out, I noticed that the rubber is starting to crack on this harmonic balancer. And since we just did the seal, when this rubber really goes, it'll start to wobble and it'll tear up the new seal. So we recommended the replacement of that. Then also I noticed, I already degreased it, she had a lot of residual transmission oil on the underside of this extension housing. So what we went ahead and did is we replaced this seal, just pulled out the drive shaft, popped the new seal in, and it'll be good for another 150,000 miles. And then did some spark plugs on it as well, oil change, just regular tune-up stuff. She's good to go.
Thanks for joining us today at the Roswell location. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow. See you next time.